As a photographer, there's nothing more exciting than capturing a beautiful city with a rich history and stunning architecture. And in my travels, I've discovered that Bisbee, Arizona is truly a photographer's dream come true. This colorful and vibrant town has so much character and history that it's impossible not to fall in love with it. Nestled in the rolling hills of southern Arizona, Bisbee is a small town with a big personality. Its well-preserved historical setting makes it a joy to photograph, as the town's beautiful buildings and vibrant colors make for fantastic subjects. The town's architecture is a mix of Victorian mansions, Art Deco, and Southwestern quirky adobe homes, which means that there's always something interesting to capture. Bisbee is situated in Cochise County in the southern part of Arizona. It was founded in 1880 as a copper, gold, and silver mining town. At its peak, it was one of the largest cities in the West, with a bustling downtown area and a thriving mining industry. However, the town experienced a decline in the mid-20th century when the mining industry began to decline. But Bisbee didn't stay down for long. In the 1960s and 70s, it became a haven for hippies and artists who were attracted to the town's laid-back atmosphere and quirky charm. Today, Bisbee is a thriving arts and culture community with a unique mix of old and new. But it's not just the town's historical setting that makes it a great place to take photographs. Today, Bisbee is drawing tourists from all over the place. And it's not hard to see why. With its welcoming atmosphere and beautiful surroundings, Bisbee is the perfect place to escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Whether you're looking to explore the town's rich history or simply enjoy its natural beauty, Bisbee has something for everyone. A photo of Bisbee will certainly liven up any room it's placed in, as it captures the essence of this unique and wonderful town.